This is the Sharper Image Powerboost Deep Tissue Massager Precision Device, Quiet Drive, 5 attachments, carrying case included. Wow. All right, so let's get this thing out of here. It's got to come out somehow, right? Why is it? It's like stuck. So that's irritating right off the bat. Can't get it open. Oh shit. This is ridiculous. Why doesn't it come out? You'd think something would open up here. Oh my God. They are not fooling around here. Oh, here we go. I figured it out. Hang on, I gotta get something to open it. Let me get this thing here. This is my go-to article. Bam, done. It's gotta be smarter than the box. Apparently I'm not. So let's take a look at it. There it is. Comes in a handy dandy case. Let's unzip this bad boy and see what it looks like. Got two zippers. All right, here we go. Check it out. Here it is. Bam. All right, now I think I may have seen this before. I don't know. This must be the attachments. First, one-handed. I'm doing this one-handed on Christmas morning. And this doesn't even want to open up. Check them out. These are the implements of torture. That's so weird, yeah? Anyway, you just stick it in there. Let's see if it's working. Well, we got to charge it. So to charge it, you put the thing down. Oh, look, there's an on button. Shit. Oh, look, there's a charge. Oh, yeah, it's working. Bam. All right, so this thing is definitely ready to go. Let's put the round ball in. And I think you just shove it in, just like that. I don't know if you have to tighten it down or what. It's got these things. I'm not sure how it goes. They should have some directions. All right, we're gonna have to figure this out. All right, so here we are. We got the thing turned on right here. There's the on button. You see the light, so you know it's good. This here we shove in. Oh, you gotta push it in, and then it's ready to go. Look at that. It is working. Oh, that hurts. That's not good. How about here? Luke, I am your father. Luke, I am your father. So it works pretty good. So check this out. It's got varying speeds. There's off. There's low speed. That's Bela. Okay. There's medium. Look at that thing. There's high. Let's try high. Ooh. All right, we'll turn it off. Let's go low speed. I like low speed the best, I think. Let's go medium. Ooh, look. Look at the difference in the wavelength. Here's high speed. Oh my God. Yeah, this is good. Ooh. Yeah. Oh baby. Daddy like. Ooh. Oh. Turn it off. So we got 3 speeds. Cool. And so these things, man, I don't know. These look like they could really be painful. That I don't know about. This maybe. All right, and this is the charge cord. And to charge it, you put it right here. Check it out. Just shove it in right there. Bam, done. Then you got to plug this bad boy in. I'm just going to plug it in up here. Alexa, you're coming out. And I'm putting this one in. And you just go like that. And just, I guess we turn this off while we're charging it. And just let it charge. Bam, done. That's it. I like it, man. This thing's cool. You guys are going to love this thing. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out. Getting a massage.